Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Tech Out. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Google Wi-Fi 3-pack, the Google Mesh Wi-Fi system. You can pick these up on sale for about $269 if you find them on sale, or $299 for regular price. So when my Linksys router died the other day, I decided to go ahead and pick these up because they allowed me to put them around my house. So when I'm down in the room all the way across the house, I don't have a dropout of Wi-Fi. It didn't really drop out with my other router, but stuff like losing 1 or 2 bars on Wi-Fi doesn't happen anymore. Plus I have smart devices around my house that rely on Wi-Fi, so that kind of gives them a bridged connection. No matter where they are in my house, they pretty much have a full signal, which makes them a little bit faster to respond and stuff like that. So this is the main one right here that's connected to my modem and my switch. Excuse the fan noise, I do have this server rack here with all my stuff in it, so excuse that. That is my Wink hub for some of my smart devices. That has its own connection using Zigbee and stuff like that. Right here is the main hub. It has one Ethernet coming from the modem and then one going to the switch. So I've placed that one upstairs in the middle of my house. I also have one unit in my office and then one downstairs. So the one downstairs is just right over here, and you can see it glowing down on the table there. So there's that one, and then this one, and then my other one is in the office, which is behind me and to the right, a room over. So I have full signal in my office, which also extends it to the garage below my office, and the one downstairs where the family room is, which you just saw, gives it full connection down there, as well as the bedroom and other room that is downstairs as well. They all have full signal with no issue. So every device that's downstairs will connect automatically to that one. And then using the app, which I will show you here in a second, you can connect to different ones, and it switches very well. You can check and see which device is connected to what in the app and see what access point it's connected to. So I'm going to show you the app real quick and show you how that works. Okay, so the app is extremely easy to use. Right here, let's see. This is the main screen right here. This is like a little feed right here. You can control Philips Hue products straight from the Google Home system. Tells you everything is good. 3 Wi-Fi points are online. Speed test, it gives you that. Wi-Fi even got better, so that's like your updates and stuff like that. Over here you have your settings. You can do a network check. You can check the internet speed from the that to the modem. You can check the mesh connection, which checks the connection between your main router and your access points, and then you can check your device between your device and whatever access point you're connected to. You can prioritize devices. More accents will show up there if you have extra buttons, so it doesn't show anything right now. Show password, you can hit that, and that allows you to pop up the password for your Wi-Fi, or you can text it to somebody. You have your network and general settings, so you can change or restart your access points. You can restart the whole system. You can restart them one by one. You can change the brightness of the LED bulbs, not the LED bulbs, the LED lights on the Wi-Fi points themselves. So if you have one in like a bedroom or something and that light annoys you, you can turn it down or turn it completely off. Right here is your main settings, so you can see all your Wi-Fi points when you last ran a speed check on them, what it was. So you have your primary Wi-Fi point, which is the one I just showed you, the one in my office, and the one you saw downstairs. Right here you can list all the devices that are connected to it, even if it's via a wireless or wired connection. So my MacBook Pro is wired right now, and you can see the wired connection right there. You can also get a usage graph in real time, or you can change it by a day, 7 days, 30 days, or 60 days. If you go to a device that is on Wi-Fi, like my iPhone right here, which you're looking at, you can see we have a wireless 5 GHz connection, and it's connected to the office one because I'm in my office. Now if I walked out just one room out, it would automatically switch to that other one. It switches amazingly well. I can walk downstairs, which isn't too far off from the main one, and it will switch to the downstairs one. It shows up as one Wi-Fi connection, one Wi-Fi SSID for all 3 units, and it shows up as one for the 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz network. the device is going to be what determines what connection it uses. You can't pick and choose one. So if for some reason your device needs to use 2.4 gigahertz, it will, but it will automatically use 5 gigahertz for the best connection if possible. So that's how that works. It's an amazing system. I'm very pleased with it. Like I said, my Linksys router died after about a year and a half, so it just kept rebooting over and over again. I tried unplugging it and all that kind of stuff. Didn't work. Those were on sale at Best Buy for $269. I picked them up, and so far they were easy to set up. You can set up all three of them at one time. If you need more than three, you can buy singles of them and you can extend a little bit farther. Or you can just buy one if you have a smaller space and don't need all three. So far an amazing system. I will link them in the description to Amazon where you can pick them up. This has been Colin with Tech Out. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.